The kidneys are among the most vital organs in the human body, playing a key role in eliminating waste, regulating fluid balance, and filtering out minerals and toxins from the bloodstream. To maintain your overall health, it's essential to give special attention to your kidneys and urinary system. In this video, we'll explore 7 simple and natural ways to detox and cleanse your kidneys. Make sure to stay with us until the end to discover a method that many people tend to overlook. Number 1. Stay hydrated. The first and most crucial step to detoxifying your kidneys is to stay well hydrated. Proper hydration aids your kidneys in effectively removing toxins and waste through urine. Your urine can be a good indicator of your hydration level. An average person typically passes about 6 cups of urine daily, so if you're not urinating enough, it might mean you're not drinking sufficient water. Your urine should ideally be clear or nearly clear in color. While a light yellow tint is normal, dark yellow urine often indicates dehydration. The good news is that as you drink more fluids, the color should lighten and become clearer. Other signs of dehydration include headaches, dry mouth, dizziness, and fatigue. If you experience these symptoms regularly, increasing your water intake could help your kidneys function better and improve your overall well-being. People often wonder how much water they should drink each day. While the general recommendation is 8 glasses, individual needs vary. Instead of focusing on a specific number, pay attention to the signs of dehydration we mentioned and find the amount of water that works best for your body. Number 2. Try herbal teas. Another great way to support your kidneys is by incorporating herbal teas into your routine. Herbal teas have been used for thousands of years for various health benefits, including weight loss and full-body detoxification, and they can also be beneficial for detoxing the kidneys. These teas are often rich in antioxidants, which provide anti-inflammatory effects and other cleansing benefits. Some studies have even shown that herbal teas can reduce the risk of kidney stones. If you're interested in giving this method a try, consider teas like nettle leaf, turmeric, and dandelion. Each of these options is known for its unique benefits and can contribute to optimal kidney function. Number 3. Reduce your sodium intake. Another effective way to detox and cleanse your kidneys is by reducing your sodium intake. If your diet is high in sodium, you're certainly not alone. On average, Americans consume about 3,400 milligrams of sodium daily, which is over 1,000 milligrams more than the recommended amount. Excessive sodium intake can be harmful to your kidneys for several reasons. First, a diet high in sodium increases the amount of calcium in your urine, which raises the risk of developing kidney stones. Additionally, too much sodium can lead to high blood pressure, which can damage the arteries that supply blood to your kidneys, potentially leading to kidney failure over time. To lower your sodium intake, a simple strategy is to reduce the amount of processed foods in your diet. Number 4. Eat foods that support kidney health. We've established that cutting back on sodium-rich, processed foods is beneficial for your kidneys. Instead, focus on consuming fresh, nutrient-rich foods packed with antioxidants to give your kidneys the support they need. You've likely heard the saying, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away," and that includes the kidney doctor too. Apples, along with other fruits, are rich in antioxidants, vitamin C, and fiber, all of which have anti-inflammatory properties that can benefit your kidneys. In addition to fruits, consider incorporating vegetables like kale, bell peppers, garlic, onion, and sweet potatoes into your diet. These superfoods are full of vitamins and minerals that have been shown to help detoxify the kidneys. Adding more fish to your meals is also a great idea since fish is high in omega-3 fatty acids, which research has shown can significantly reduce the risk of end-stage renal disease or slow its progression. Not only are these foods beneficial for your overall health, but now you know how much they can do for your kidneys as well. Now, let's shift focus slightly to another effective method for cleansing your kidneys. Number 5. Take the right vitamins and supplements. Just as the lungs need oxygen, your kidneys require the right vitamins and nutrients to function properly. Taking the appropriate vitamins and supplements can support your kidneys and help maintain their health. Vitamin B6. One important vitamin to consider is vitamin B6. Research has shown that vitamin B6 can help reduce the levels of calcium oxalate, a compound that contributes to the formation of kidney stones. By lowering calcium oxalate, vitamin B6 can decrease your risk of developing kidney stones. Andrographis. Another supplement worth mentioning is andrographis. This herb has properties that may help reduce the toxic effects of alcohol on the kidneys. While more research is needed in this area, early findings are promising. Andrographis could potentially be a valuable addition to your kidney health regimen. Other beneficial vitamins and supplements for kidney health include alpha-lipoic acid, morina, N-acetylcysteine, resveratrol, probiotics, and even vitamin D. However, before introducing any new supplements into your routine, it's always a good idea to consult with your doctor, as they can provide advice tailored to your specific health needs. Number 6. Avoid artificial sweeteners. Another key point to consider for kidney health is avoiding artificial sweeteners. Many people switch from processed sugar to artificial sweeteners to cut calories and make healthier choices. However, studies suggest that artificial sweeteners may actually do more harm than good. They can alter your taste buds, increasing your appetite and leading to overeating, which can contribute to weight gain. This, in turn, raises the risk of stroke, hypertension, cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, and ultimately kidney disease. Common artificial sweeteners to watch out for include sucralose, found in Splenda, saccharin, found in Sweet and Low, and aspartame, found in Equal. Instead of these, you can opt for natural sweeteners like honey, maple syrup, or agave nectar, but remember to use them in moderation. Now, let's move on to another simple method for supporting kidney health. Number 7. Try a 2-day kidney cleanse. One of the most effective ways to detox your kidneys is by trying a 2-day kidney cleanse. This involves setting aside 2 days where you consume only foods and liquids that are optimal for kidney health. As the kidneys act as the body's filtration system, removing toxins and waste. A focused intake of beneficial nutrients during this short period can help flush out excess toxins, giving your renal system a fresh start. During a kidney cleanse, you might include a combination of juices, teas, herbs, smoothies, and foods that support kidney function. Many of the foods and supplements mentioned earlier in this video could be great options. While there isn't strong clinical evidence to support the effectiveness of such cleansing programs, many people report positive experiences. However, it's always a good idea to consult with your doctor before starting any cleanse, especially if you have an underlying health condition. For most of us, maintaining kidney health can be as simple as eating a balanced diet and staying hydrated. But now you have some additional techniques to consider. If you found this information helpful, please hit the like button to support the channel. It's greatly appreciated. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Our channel's videos have a full guide on kidney health. You can check the playlist for more details. You must watch these videos. Thanks for watching, and take good care of your kidneys and your overall health. Let me know in the comments which methods you're planning to try. As always, breathe easy, my friends. Stay positive, stay healthy.